Hello and welcome to this Fusion 360 tutorial on creating Loft. Lofts are powerful tools for creating complex shapes by transitioning between two or more profiles. So let's get started. First open Fusion 360 and create a sketch for the profile you wanted to loft between. You can create these sketches on different plane or faces. Now sketch the profile you wanted to loft between in each of the sketch. This profile can be simple shape or more complex curves depend on your design. With your profile ready, go to the create menu and select Loft. This will open the Loft tool. In the Loft dialog, you will see the profiles sections for each sketch. Select the sketch or profile you wanted to loft between. You can select more than two if needed. If your loft requires a specific path, you can add a guide curve. This curve helps control the loft shape. Simply select the edge and curves that will guide your loft. Now take a look at the loft setting. You can control the various parameters, the types of loft like solid or surface, directions and more. Just these settings to achieve your desired shape. After configuring your loft, click OK to see a preview for your loft shape. Make sure it matches your design intent. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click OK again to create loft. Your loft shape is now part of your Fusion 360 model. Remember, you can always go back and edit your loft by double clicking it in the timeline. This allows you to make adjustment or add guide curve if necessary. That's it for today. See you next week with new class, new learning. Bye bye. Take care and keep watching Robotics India. Thank you so much.